Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Hope you all are doing the work also. So in our last two classes we completed our chapter 3rd, that was Shibi, Shibi the protector. So now we will do the exercise part. So from now onwards you have to write your hard words also in the classwork. Fine, so we will send you the pic, from that you can write your hard words, and after your hard words do write your meanings in the classwork itself. After hard words then meanings, and after that you have to write the question and answers. Okay? So come up with your readers at page number 26. Fine kids. Now, so here the first question is given as, what was the dove afraid of? What was the dove afraid of? The dove was afraid of hawk, isn't it? Right. Next one, the dove went for protection to king. Where did the dove go for protection? Protection के लिए dove कहाँ गई थी? The dove went for protection to king Shibi. Next, what did the hawk ask from the king? King के पास hawk क्या? What did he ask? The hawk asked for king's flesh equal to weight of dove. Okay, dove का जितना weight है उतना equal amount का flesh मांगे. Was the dove really heavier than the king? Was the dove really heavier than the king? Indeed, the dove was really heavier than king as it was god of Agni. क्या dove king से heavy थे? हाँ, indeed it was, because he was god of Agni. Who were in fact the dove and the hawk? Dove and hawk कौन थे? The dove and hawk in fact were two gods. Dove was Agni, god of fire, and hawk was Indra, god of rain. Okay kids. Now next one. Who said these words? So here the words are given, the sentences are given, the phrases is given. So who said this phrase? Who said these lines? Okay, when we read the lesson we get to know this. So let me throw it out. Who said this word? कौन बोले ये? When the dove come and sit into the palace, in the palace on the lap of king, जब king के गोदी में आती है bird. So who said कि let me throw it out? The nobleman. The nobleman said कि king, let me throw the bird out. He will kill me. Who said these words? ये words कौन बोले? He will kill me. Dove. Dove said he will kill me. That dove is my food. वो dove मेरा food है. Who said this word? Hawk. Hawk said. Next one. Ask for some other food. Ask for some other food. Instead of dove, तुम कुछ और खाना पूछो. Who said this word? King Shibi. And you have passed our great test. Who said this one? हमारा टेस्ट जो ग्रेट टेस्ट था, you have passed बोलकर पूछे थे King Shibi को. Who कौन पूछे थे? Agni. Here it's again, you have passed our great test. So it is Agni, the god of fire. Now next one, languages. In this we are going to learn adjectives today. So here rewrite the following sentences in the comparative degree. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या करना है? Comparative degree में आपको sentence change करके लिखना है. The deer is not so fast as the cheetah. Okay, the deer is not so fast as cheetah. तो इसकी comparative degree क्या आएगी? Cheetah is faster than deer. Okay, cheetah is faster than deer. Next one, the eagle is not so wise as the owl. तो इसकी comparative degree क्या आएगी? The eagle is wiser than, the owl is wiser than eagle. Okay. Next one, the Yamuna is not so long as the Ganga. Comparative degree में change करें इसको तो Ganga is longer than Yamuna. Sugar is not so sweet as honey. Comparative में honey is sweeter than sugar. Next one, iron is not so heavy as gold. Comparative में change करेंगे इसको, gold is heavier than iron. Okay kids? Fine. Now turn up your pages. Here rewrite the following sentences in the positive degree. इसको क्या करना है अभी? यहाँ पे positive को हम comparative में change कर रहे थे before bit में, अभी क्या करना है? Positive में change करना है. Fine. So rose is lovelier than lotus. Rose is lovelier than lotus. तो इसकी positive degree क्या आएगी? Lotus is not lovely as rose. Okay. नेक्स्ट वन, अ वाइज एनिमी इज बेटर देन अ फूलिश फ्रेंड. वाइज एनिमी क्या है? बेटर है फूलिश फ्रेंड से. सो हाउ विल राइट? अ फूलिश फ्रेंड इज नॉट एज गुड एज वाइज एनिमी. नेक्स्ट वन, द कुकू सिंग्स बेटर देन द सॉन्ग बर्ड. ओके, सो इसके पॉजिटिव क्या आएंगे? सॉन्ग बर्ड सिंगिंग इज नॉट एज गुड एज कुकू. फिफ्थ वन, मुंबई इज बिगर देन दिल्ली. मुंबई क्या है? दिल्ली से बिगर है. ये कंपैरेटिव में दिया गया है, तो हम इसको पॉजिटिव में कैसा लेंगे? दिल्ली इज नॉट एज बिग एज मुंबई. इंग्लिश इज ईजियर देन मैथमेटिक्स. ओके, तो इसका पॉजिटिव क्या आएगा? मैथमेटिक्स इज नॉट ईजी एज English. Fine kids? Now come to the next one. This part is vocabulary part. Choose the correct words from the help box to fill in the blanks. So, okay, यहाँ पे हमें क्या दिया गया? Words दिए गए हैं. Using these words we have to fill in these blanks. The first one is give me my food, otherwise I will. What should come? Dash said the hawk. क्या आना चाहिए यहाँ पे? Dead, death, die, dying, died. Die. Give me my food, otherwise I will die, said the hawk. Okay. Next one. My phone suddenly went. What it should come? Dead, death, die, dying, died. It should be dead. D-E-A-D, dead. Next one. People were dash of starvation every day. People were, what they were doing? Death, die, dying or died? Dying. People were dying of starvation every day. Starvation means भूख से तड़पना. To save my honor was a question of life and dash for me. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Death आएगा या died आएगा? Two are left, so it should be death. To save my honor was a question of life and death for me. His father dash last week. Last week, past tense. So what it should be? It should be died. His father died last week. Now next one, put a tick against the nouns. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या दिया गया है? Nouns दिए गए हैं ये box में. In this we have to tick the nouns. There are many words, so in these words we have to find out where the noun is. So green, green is a color. Honest, it's not a noun. Agra, Agra is a noun. Why? Because it's a place of a name of a place. Then hawk, hawk is also a noun. Put a tick here in Agra, and in hawk, hawk is also a noun because hawk is also a name of a animal. Next one, river, right? River, river is also a name. Next one, garden, garden is also a noun, so we have to put a tick in garden also. Next one, shibi, shibi क्या है? वो भी एक name है. Name means noun है वो भी. So put a tick on shibi. Next one, help, help क्या है? एक verb है, so it's not a noun. Give, give is also a verb, it also a no noun. Now use the above nouns in the blanks below. ठीक है, अभी हमको यहाँ nouns मिल गए हैं, आगरा, हॉक, रिवर, गार्डन एंड शिबी. तो अभी हमें क्या करना है? ये nouns को ये blanks में fill up करना है. Okay, first one, they are beautiful flowers in the, क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? Place, garden. Good. There are beautiful flowers in the garden. Next one, the Ganga is a holy river. Very good. Right river here. Next one, dash is a ferocious bird. कौन सी bird ferocious है? Hawk. Hawk is a ferocious bird. The Taj is situated in, Taj कहाँ पे situated है? कौन सी place? Delhi. In Delhi, in Agra. Okay. Right, Agra here. Next one, King dash was widely loved by his subjects. Subjects means उनके kingdom के people. Okay, so king, the name is given here as King Shibi was widely loved by his subjects. Okay kids, did you all got it? So we'll do it once again. There are beautiful flowers in the garden. The Ganga is a holy river. Hawk is a ferocious bird. The Taj is situated in Agra. King Shibi was widely loved by his subjects. Got it? Now next one, fill in the blanks with a or an. Okay, fill in the blanks with a or an. ये article से fill in the blanks करना है. So first one, dash honest king. What it should come? A honest king. Very good. Dash an easy question. An easy question. Why we are putting an an? Why we are putting an an? Can you tell me? Vowels. Okay. You know vowels? Vowels, V-O-W-E-L-S. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Isn't it? These are vowels. Consonants. Consonants क्या है? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, W, X, Y, Z. Fine. So vowels जो है A, E, I, O है, 5 vowels है. Then जो rest of the letters है वो है consonants. So mostly what we do, vowels के आगे we use an. Okay? Vowels के आगे क्या use करते हैं हम? An use करते हैं. And consonants के आगे what we use? We use A. Okay kids? So here do this one. Dash honest king. So what is the letter here? H. It's a consonant. So we must use a honest king. Next one, easy question. So what it is there? First letter, easy is an vowel. So an easy question. Next one, dash ice cream. क्या आएगा? A आएगा या an आएगा? The word is starting with an vowel. So we must use an. I is a vowel है ना? I vowel है तो we must put an before that. An ice cream. Next one, dash strong hawk. Isn't it? तो यहाँ पे strong क्या है? Consonant से start हो रहा है तो a strong hawk. Next, dash big elephant. Dash big elephant. B. Big is starting with B. So it's a consonant. So before consonant we must add A. Okay? A big elephant. Next, sour orange. What should come here? Consonant है sour. So what should we add? We should add A. Very good. Now come up to the next one. Here word order is given. Rearrange the following words in the correct order to make proper sentences. So ये जो words दिए गए, jumbled दिए गए हैं, scrambled है पूरे, आपको क्या करना है इसको correct order में frame करना है, okay? इसको correctly लिखना है, so that's how it can become proper sentences. So look here for the first one, Indians defeat can no one, okay? It's being divided into different parts. Indians defeat can no one. So इसको one sentence में कैसे frame करेंगे? No one can defeat Indians, right? Good. Next one, are able we English to learn? पूरा scrambled है, so we will write it as we are able to learn English. Okay. Next one, hard work don't why you. When you are asking a question, is this a way of asking? Hard work don't why you? No, we ask why don't you work hard? Very good. Can she sing well classical music? तो इसको कैसे change करेंगे? Yeah, she can sing well classical music. Very good kids. Now, is able not he to run fast? All scramble. So इसको change करते हैं. He is not able to run fast. Fine. Okay. Next one. Couldn't time in the guest come? Okay, तो इसको कैसे change करेंगे? The guest couldn't come in time. Okay kids? Fine. So here next one is dictionary work. This one you have to do. Okay, you have to do by using your dictionary. Okay. Take your parents' help, your sisters or brothers, anyone elder help at your home, and from the dictionary find out these questions. Okay, so the first one is which words come before and after hawk? When you open the dictionary, आप जब hawk का word search करोगे तो उसके hawk के word के आगे and before and after whatever the word is that you have to write 2 words. Okay? Hawk जब आप dictionary में find out करोगे तो hawk के before वाला word and hawk के after वाला word you have to write. Okay. Next one, write 2 words that begin with kn. Okay? आपके dictionary में kn जब आप search करोगे तो उसमें 2 words kn से जो start होते हैं those you have to write. Next, write 2 5-letter words that begin with S. So आप जब S की search करोगे तो उसमें 5-letter words जो भी होगा S column में that you have to write. Next one, write two words that begin with FL. Okay, आप FL जब डिक्शनरी में सर्च करोगे तो उसमें two words, any two words what you like. Okay, those two words you have to write. Next one, write two words that come before dove. Okay, आप डिक्शनरी में सर्च करो word dove, तो dove से पहले जो words है those two words you have to write. Okay, so this is your reader homework. So I hope you will do. Take your help from the elders. Fine. Now next, come to the next bit, writing skill. Okay, the following passage has not been edited. There is one error in each of the lines. Underline the incorrect word and write the correct word. Okay, so ये क्या है, एक passage है, ये passage है लेकिन ये point wise दिया गया है for us to understand easily. Fine kids. So in this passage many mistakes are there. Okay, so we have to take out those mistakes, incorrect words, and write it correctly. Okay. So first one here is Dr. Nelson Mandela is born on July 18, 1918. Okay, July 18 in the year 1918. 1918 क्या है, past है. So Nelson Mandela is born नहीं आना है, is क्या होता है, present के लिए आता है, तो was born. Nelson Mandela was born. Okay, Nelson Mandela was born on July 1918 in the rich family in 1942. Okay, तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, he was born in a rich family. The की place पे, the is a wrong word, it should be a. He was born in a rich family in 1942. Okay, fine, he was born in a rich family. In 1942 he secured his first job. Okay, till there, stop it. In the very first day, क्या आएगा यहाँ पे, मिस्टेक क्या है यहाँ पे, इन. ओके, इन की प्लेस पे क्या आना है, ऑन होना है. इन राइट इन द इन करेक्ट कॉलम, ऑन इन द करेक्ट वर्ड. ओके, इन की प्लेस पे क्या आएगा, ऑन आएगा. ऑन द वेरी फर्स्ट डे ही वॉज टोल्ड दैट सिंस ही इज ब्लैक, इज आ गया यहाँ पे, तो हम बात कर रहे हैं पास्ट की, तो इस चेंज हो जाता है वॉज में. ही वॉज ब्लैक, ही विल हैव टू टेक टी सेपरेटली. यहाँ पे विल इनकरेक्ट वर्ड है, विल की जगह क्या होता है, चेंज, वुड हो जाता है, तो ही वुड हैव टू टेक टी सेपरेटली. नेक्स्ट, ऑन जुलाई 1988 ही सेलिब्रेट्स इट्स 70th बर्थडे. सेलिब्रेट्स का क्या होता है, सेलिब्रेटेड. सेलिब्रेट्स इज द रॉन्ग वर्ड हियर, इट शुड बी राइट इन एज सेलिब्रेटेड. सेलिब्रेटेड बर्थडे एट प्रेजेंट, नो, रॉन्ग वर्ड इज एट की प्लेस पे क्या आएगा, इन प्रिजन आएगा. ही वॉज रिलीज आएगा, नो, ही वॉज रिलीज्ड, पास्ट टेंस, ही वॉज रिलीज्ड इन February 1990. ही बिकम, नो, बिकम शुड बिकम became. He became the first black president of South Africa. He was past tense, awarded. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Peace. Peace की spelling wrong है यहाँ पे, PEACE, peace. So don't worry for this, you will get the pictures, from that you can copy it out. Now turn up your pages. So here, work in praise, it's a speaking skill. So you say the effects given below and your partner will say the causes. Okay, so here the causes and effects you have to talk about. Okay, I'll tell you one cause and you have to I'll tell you an effect, you have to tell about that cause. Okay, I'll give you any point, for that you have to give the reasons. Okay, so the first one here is the dove was looking frightened. This boy is saying कि वो जो dove थी that was looking very frightened. So the girl is saying ये कि yes, it was because afraid of the hawk. She is giving the reason. He is saying one the effect and she is giving the reason for it. उसका cause बता रहे हैं. जब he is saying a thing, he is giving her, she is giving her the causes. So here some effects and causes are given, we have to match with them. The baby was crying. Why was he crying? She had lost her purse, it was hungry, it was afraid of the hawk, he was ill, he had saved the king, it had killed a pigeon. Why was the baby crying? Because it was hungry. Okay, next one. Aman did not go to school yesterday. Why? She had lost her purse, or it was afraid of the hawk, or he was ill. He was ill. Next one. The soldier was rewarded. Why was he rewarded? Why? She had lost her purse, or he had saved the king? Yes, he had saved the king. Next, the hawk was very happy. Why was he very happy? Hawk क्यों happy था? Because it had killed a pigeon. Next, Sarita was looking sad. Why? Because she had lost her purse. The cause is because she has lost her purse, that's why Sarita was looking sad. Next one, the dove was looking frightened. It's already done because it was afraid of the hawk. Fine kids? So now you know effects and causes. Whatever we are telling, for that we have to even give the cause also. We have to tell the reason also. Fine. Now next come to this. Here thinking skill it has been given. In this what you have to do, fit the following 2-letter pairs in the blanks below to end the name of a country and begin a bird's name. One has been done for you. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या दिया गया है? Maxi / NDOR. So यहाँ पे क्या है? ये एक middle word हमको ऐसा लिखना है word. From this column we have to take one word and write 2 letters here in such a way that first letter जब हम बनाते हैं तो वो बनता है country name and next बनता है एक bird name. Okay, look here for the first one. Here MEXI, Maxi is given. We added CO. Okay, CO in this missing blank, so it became as Mexico, isn't it? Mexico. And CONDOR, condor. Okay, it's a bird name. So next one, PANA. What should be added? PANA, MA. We'll add MA. Panama. Panama is a country name. Okay. Then MACAW, Macau. Macau is a bird's name belonging to parrots family, isn't it? Panama and Macau. Next one, ANGO. Okay, country name क्या आएगा? Angola. ANGO, LA should be, if you add it will become Angola, and LARK, lark. Okay, Angola and lark. Next one, CU. What will we add? We will add BA. Okay, CUBA, Cuba. Then BARN, barn all. Okay. Next one, LA. Will add OS to this, it will become Laos. Okay, Laos is a country name, and bird name is OSTRICH, ostrich. Got it, kids? Fine. Next one, MALTA, Malta. Malta is a country name, and TANAGR, Tangier is a bird's name. Okay, kids? I hope you all understood this one. Try to read this one, try to practice this one, then it will be easy for you. And do complete your classwork and do complete your reader work also. And as for your homework, question and answers. In homework, and learn. Fine. And page number 27, comparative degree जो है that you have to write. Okay, kids? This one, these sentences you have to write all the 5 sentences in your homework, and do write the question answers and comparative degree 5 sentences in your homework notebooks and learn them. And in your classwork books, write the hard words first, then the meanings, and then question answers, and complete all the reader part. Okay, kids? So stay home, stay safe, and don't trouble your parents.